Here are the websites that I use to do keyword research when it comes to Pinterest. Now, before we get started, I'm Press Rogers and I do Pinterest marketing for online businesses, hopefully like yours. This is in no particular order except for the last one, which is the most important. So one of the websites is the Pinterest Trends tool. So if you go to trends.pinterest.com, you'll come across this tool. You can definitely use it to research your keywords. It's really, really cool tool, so make sure you are accessing it. The second website I like to use is Answer the Public. It's super, super cool. So you can go to that website and put in like 2 to 3 keywords, and it's going to give you like the most related searches to those keywords, which those searches can also be keywords that people are using on other search engines, and you might can see if they are also searching for those things on Pinterest. The third one is AI tools like ChatGPT. This one has been my go-to lately. However, the caveat is that you must understand that you need to cross-reference between what you find on ChatGPT and making sure that it's actually a search term on Pinterest. Because sometimes the keywords that ChatGPT give me are not keywords that people are actually using on Pinterest, or they're not using them in the way that they would be on like a search engine like Google. And now for my last one and my favorite one, Pinterest. So yes, Pinterest, the actual website, and using the search bar to actually do your keyword research and find the keywords is like the best one ever. Because that way you can see what results come up under those search terms, and you can make sure those are the keywords that people are using on the website itself. Bonus, you can also use the keyword tool within the Pinterest ads backend to also be really helpful for the different type of searches people are doing for around certain terms. So those are the tools on the websites that I use to do keyword research for myself and my clients. So let me know if you have any questions, and make sure you follow.